Journaling is something that is important for many people, but not many people say it out loud that it's also important for your business. Let me tell you today about 3 ways how you can journal and which of those 3 things is the most important for your business growth. Hello, Boss Dreamer. I'm Kati from KatiDBusinessCoaching.com, and today I really want to talk about something that got me to the point that I am today. A person who's step by step building up the YouTube channel and building the community around speaking, leading, and building your brand. If you are new to this channel and just wandering around, I hope you will stay and subscribe and hit the bell button. This way you'll get notified whenever the new video will be popping in. I want you to think about what you actually want. And that's why I'm going to talk about journaling. Let me tell you about 3 ways you can actually journal. And in the end of the video, I will let you know which of those is actually the most important, not only for your personal life, but also for your business. Let's get to the point. The first way you can do the journaling is simply sit down over the paper, sit down over the copybook, take a pen in your hand and just start writing whatever is in your head. It doesn't matter if it's about the ideas that are in your head connected to your business, the ideas that you have for your life, or if it's any blah that gets in your head. Just put it out. Why? Because it will help you regain the focus. It will help you clear out your thoughts. It will help you point out all the things that are accumulating in here and that are not necessarily needed at the moment. Whatever is here, it's amazing, believe me. But if you do not put it down to the paper, it will be still circulating in your head. And you'll get distracted from one place to another. Instead of grabbing something else, you're grabbing this or grabbing that. No. If you're also thinking about growing your business, having the business, maybe making some changes, you cannot lose your focus. You have to get to the point. That's why when you journal down, you will realize that, first of all, you're calming down. There is less stress. Second of all, the new ideas might come up. You can highlight them. You can then change those ideas into the goals to be achieved for your company, for your life, for the situation that you're in, to make a change, to make a positive change in your life. Second way of journaling is the future journaling. This is the moment when you write down things that are in your head, but not randomly. You write the things that you would like to achieve, and you write them in the present tense. We're writing a date without the year. I'm starting with a gratitude sentence, like I'm thankful for the amazing life I'm leading, the wealthy life I'm leading, the fact that I'm working as a coach and a trainer and help amazing people like you. Things I want to achieve, I write down as if I already achieved them. I put as much details as I can. The third way of journaling is gratitude journaling. I recommend you to start with 5 things, 5 sentences that will start with I'm grateful for, I'm thankful for, I'm very happy that. Something that will get you in the positive boost. Why? Because the moment we are getting the positive mood and the positive attitude around us, that's when the things are happening good for us. You probably wonder which one would be the best to grow your business. Before I tell you that, I would love to see you subscribing if you haven't done that yet. Also, don't forget to hit the bell button. This way you'll be notified whenever the new video will be coming in. We talk on this channel about public speaking, personal branding, and leadership skills that will help you grow your business and be a better manager. Okay, let's reveal which way is the best for your business. The future journaling is one of the most amazing ways for you to achieve things. It helps a lot with your personal life, with your personal development, but if your life is, for example, like mine, focused on my own business most of the time, this type of journaling is the way you can write down your goals. Write down where you want to be at. Write down what you want to achieve in the end. When you start a certain process, especially if you start a certain coaching process, start with an end in mind. Even if I'm talking about personal branding on LinkedIn, very specific thing, I always ask my clients, what would you like to achieve with your LinkedIn profile? Is it just more exposure? Would you like to have more connections? Would you like to find a job through that? Or any other reason? And that's what we do future journaling about.